The room is quiet. No alarm, no sound. Emma opens her eyes and reaches for her phone. She presses the button. Nothing. The screen is black. "Oh no," she says softly. "My phone is dead." She feels uncomfortable. No messages, no music, no time. Emma sits on the bed and sighs. "I feel lost without it." In the kitchen, her friend Olivia is pouring coffee. She looks up and smiles. "Good morning, Emma. Why do you look worried?" "My phone isn't working," Emma says. "It won't turn on." Olivia stays calm. "That's okay. Maybe today is telling you something." Emma frowns. "I don't like this feeling." They step outside together. The morning air is cool and fresh. Emma keeps touching her pocket. The phone is not there. Her steps feel slow. Olivia walks beside her. "Relax," she says. "Just walk." They pass a bakery. Warm air flows into the street. Emma stops. "Oh wow, that smell is amazing." "Fresh bread," Olivia says. "Real food, not from a screen." Emma smiles a little. "I usually order online." At the bus stop, people stand close. Some talk, some laugh, some look tired. Emma watches them carefully. "I never notice people like this." "That's because your eyes are usually on your phone," Olivia replies. They walk near a small park. Children are running. A dog jumps happily. Emma laughs quietly. They look so free. Because they are present, Olivia says. They sit at a cafe. 2 cups of coffee steam in the air. Emma holds her cup. It feels warm in her hands. "This tastes different," she says. "Better." "Because you're not scrolling," Olivia answers. They walk past a flower shop. Red, yellow, pink flowers shine in the sun. "So many colors," Emma says. "I never saw this place before." "You passed it many times," Olivia says. "But today you're looking." Later, they reach the repair shop. The worker checks the phone. "Battery problem," he says. "Come back in 1 hour." 1 more hour without a phone, Emma says slowly. They walk again. No rush, no screen. When Emma finally gets her phone back, it works. The screen lights up. She looks at it, then gently puts it into her bag. "I don't need it right now," she says. The sky turns orange and soft blue. Emma looks up. "I forgot how beautiful this is." Olivia smiles. "You didn't lose your phone today." Emma nods. "I found something better." She breathes deeply. She feels calm. "My phone stopped working, but my day started living." Life is not inside a phone. Life is all around us. Thank you for watching. If you liked this story, please like, share, and subscribe. Tell us in the comments, can you live one day without your phone?